My name is Jan Benham from Perez Cosmetics, and today we're talking about the application of eyebrow products.
First, let's talk about grooming. If you have excess hair underneath the outer edge of your eyebrows, removing it can make a big difference. This stray hair can create a shadow, making your brows look heavier and lower, which can bring your entire expression down. By tidying up this area, you create the illusion of lifted, more defined brows. Good eyebrow makeup isn't just about filling in, it's about enhancing your natural shape to give your face a mini facelift effect. I'll guide you through every step to achieve beautifully lifted and balanced eyebrows that frame your face perfectly.
So let's go to the application of the eyebrow. So first of all, I like to personally work with two products, the eyebrow powder and an eyebrow pencil. Now most days I just apply the eyebrow pencil, but if I want a really polished look, then I apply both. So we're going to do a really close in look here, and I will show you very simply how I do it.
So on Tria here, I'm using the lightest shade of eyebrow pencil that we have called taupe. This eyebrow pencil is suitable for blonde-haired women and also for grey-haired women as well. We do have a darker shade brunette eyebrow pencil as well for people who have darker hair. And then we apply the eyebrow powder. Now this again is the same color as the taupe eyebrow pencil. If you make a mistake with this, it doesn't show, which is great for people who wear glasses. And again, on the other side, we're applying the eyebrow pencil, and then we are then going to apply the eyebrow powder on top. The beauty of this pencil is it is made from very few ingredients, including organic castor oil, jojoba, and vegetable plant waxes, which makes it very nourishing for the eyebrows and are also suitable for those who have sensitive or allergy-prone skin. I do hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please do contact us. Otherwise, stay beautiful.